Okay, so here we are in a client's home, and in like a sunroom, and they got vision shades or zebra shades or banded shades, and there's five windows. So we have a 5-channel remote, and we're going to go to channel 1 and open. Then we'll go to 2 and open. 3, open. 4, open. They do them all individually, or you can do them all together. And 5, and open. When they open, no matter what the length is, the shade retracts into its own headrail, which is the same color as the shade. Nice. Now the beauty of this, there's no batteries that you have to change. They're rechargeable batteries. And the rechargeable batteries are located inside this headrail, in this tube are the rechargeable batteries. They never have to be changed. This here is a USB port. You connect the wire to the USB, plug it in the wall, charge it up for 6 hours. It's good for about 6-7 months. So now we're going to go to all. So you have all lit and down. So now all the shades are going to come down at once. This is installed by Superior Interiors, 516-317-5091. And if you notice, the measurement is literally perfect. You see there's a little bump out here. It fits perfect. Look at that. And that's why we're called Superior Interiors. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Lowest prices, best installation, in business for over 30 years. Okay, so now they're all down. So let's say you come out in the morning. You want to see what kind of day it is, but you don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, or you don't want to do all and try to line up the shades. So we programmed it to all, and you hit the V. They all open and stop automatically. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. We cover Manhattan to Montauk. If you're looking for banded shades, zebra shades, vision shades, bypassing shades, we have the largest fabric selections, colors, patterns, and we have the best prices. So now you want to go to all and close, and then they'll all close. 516-317-5091 or 718-343-6600. So once again, we'll go to all, hit the V, and they all open.